me. I come in from a family of 5 kids. My mom has passed away, so my father has retired. Yuko Uganda, meaning half Uganda. Eh? And also, I'm a self-taught chef. I've been cooking from the age of 8 years. Now I am 40 years old. So for me to tell you, there are people who are going to tell you, you cannot do anything. Prove them wrong. You can do anything you want to do, and you can achieve anything you want to achieve in life. No matter what circumstances are with you, no matter what the situation you are in, believe it in yourself that you have the power to change your destiny. Okay? Yes. Now, I want you to repeat after me. I can. I can. I will. I will. And I must. And I must. Tell the one to the right and the left, you got that right. I can. Every time you do your exams, every time you are given a task, tell yourself that you will finish it. You will win. Okay? Yes. And I can, I will, I must is an attitude that you must have. If you want to succeed as hard and as much as you want to breathe, you will win. Every day I tell myself that it is not over until I say it's over. So when I'm doing the Guinness World Record of cooking the longest hours non-stop, more than 100 hours in 2023, August and November, that is something I will change in my mindset, my mindset, and tell myself, it is not over until I say it is over. Yeah? So believe it, you will achieve it. Thank you so much. I want to say a big thank you to Wema Center for having me, for allowing me to also celebrate with each and every one of you. You guys are so beautiful, and I love you all. Love you. I want to thank each and every one who has been a part of my team. The cleaning services, I want to thank you so much for being here with me. My team, as you can see them, my sous chefs, you know, one called Kali. I don't know if you know Gordon Ramsay. I'm Gordon Ramsay in the kitchen. Yeah, so labda mkim Google mtajua Chef Gordon Ramsay is who, yeah? So I want to thank my crew, my photographer, my sister back there, my children. Yeah, so my daughters, my brand manager, I want to thank each and every one of you for making this happen for me. I'm trying to control my emotions right now. Yeah. Also, I want to thank my sponsors, Seagas Limited. They're the ones who helped me to achieve this dream. I also want to thank Dola for giving me their products to come and give you as a gift as well. Minat Bakery, the one famous baker in Mombasa, and she's a self-taught baker, by the way. So Minat Bakery is the one who baked for me this lovely cake. You are going to all taste it. I want to thank God. We have to thank God for everything. Nothing is achievable without God. Hao wote wamesema muombeni Mungu, na sisi Waislamu kila siku tunaswali, we wake up and say thank you God for giving me another day to fight, another day to praise you, and another day to be grateful for each and everything. Thank you so much.